Hello. This is the Aura Boys podcast. On today's episode, we're going to be discussing our favorite type of light switch. I like the one where you push the top to turn it on, and then you push the bottom to turn it off, and then you push the top again to turn it on. Um, Whoever would like to share next, go right ahead.
When I was 3 years old, fell down the stairs, broke my leg. I don't like lights, so I have a candle.
Thanks for sharing, Jimmy.
What scent is your
that's
candle?
I think it's lavender. Smells very good.
next.
I volunteer to go next. So, my name is Funk Gistel. I'm gonna say my favorite light switch is I've
Sorry.
always had a thing for the rotary light switches. Something about the spinning motion.
Can you elaborate?
Well, yeah. So basically, the switch will spin in a way that'll cause the light to turn on. Do you guys want an example of that?
I'm gonna need to see that.
Basically, here's what the example we have. So here's a desk lamp. Basically, when we rotate it, that actually disables the light.
That's
and
freaky,
then-
dude.
But believe it or not, when you do the same thing and rotate it again, it causes the light to be enabled again.
Whoa!
Thank you for your time.
Like when it's a button on the wall.
Does anybody mind if I go next?
Go right ahead.
So, I wasn't a fan of using my fingers to turn lights on and off. So, I'm more of a fan of the ones that turn on automatically when you walk by them because it looks pretty cool and like you don't have to touch anything.
I'll go next. I personally like the ones that you can pull. Think it's very convenient, and those lights are the brightest in my opinion.
Like when it's in an attic.
I love those ones.
It's a good
Yes.
motion.
I like the ones when it's a button.
Thanks for sharing.
You know, the switches where like you like slide it up, you know, like and like as you slide it up more, it gets brighter like gradually, you know, like the
Yes.
slider ones. Yeah, those are tough. I like those.
Can I ask a question?
Sure, go ahead.
It's for Jimmy. Yeah. What happens when it burns all the way down?
I make a new candle.
Until the next episode of the Aura Boys podcast, we'll see you.
Peace.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you very much for having me.
Drop it.